welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share the recipe for something called Masale Bhat, which is a typical Maharashtrian recipe. And I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of oil. And I've taken about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to add now 2 to 3 teaspoons of jeera or cumin seeds and 2 to 3 teaspoons of rai and hing. Okay, so now oil is already heated. Now my mustard seeds are already spluttering, you can see that. I'm adding about 3 to 4 bay leaves and about 15 to 16 curry leaves and 3 green chilies vertically slitted. So I've taken about 3 वाट्या, 3 katoris of rice, and that's how the measurement is, and this comes to exactly 3/4 of a regular measuring cup. So I'm going with the vati which is same as your 3/4 of this cup, US measurement if you can see that, and I've added the ingredients according to that. So for this 3 vatis I've taken 3 green chilies. First ingredient I'm going to add is your tonli because it takes a little longer to cook. Okay, so and make sure whenever you're taking tonli or tenli, cut it vertically. Cut into half and then make 3 pieces of it. That's how much thickness you should have for that tonli, if you can see. And it's exactly 1 vati which I've taken, or 3/4 of a cup, regular cup. So all the vegetables are 1-1-1 and your rice is 3. So 1:1 rice and vegetables. That's how the proportion should be. I'm going to saute this for a couple of minutes because it takes a little longer to cook the tonli. It's been almost 3 to 4 minutes since I sauteed the tonli or tenli. I'm going to add eggplant now or vanga. Keep it into a little bit chunkier pieces because it gets cooked very fast. You don't want too much mushy vanga in here or eggplant. Saute for a minute or 2. Next ingredient I'm going to add is matar or green peas. So all the vegetables are 1-1-1 because I've taken 3 katoris of rice, so 3 katoris of vegetables. That's how I measure it. So I'm going to add the masalas now. I've taken 1 teaspoon of haldi, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and 3 tablespoons of goda masala. Okay, which is typical Maharashtrian goda masala. You can get it in any grocery store here too. Keep stirring it. Then I'm going to add the salt. I've taken 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 1/2 teaspoon of sugar per vati. So 4 1/2 teaspoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of salt in here. Not adding the rice initially because I don't want the rice grain to break while we are sauteing this. The next ingredient is chinsecha kod or tamarind paste. I'm adding about 3 teaspoons of those. Add the rice which I've already washed and just kept it aside for maybe 10 minutes. Just saute it for maybe a minute or 2. I've added about 6 katoris of water and 1 katori is equivalent to 3/4 of a cup. So I'll give you in the description box exact equivalent measurement so there won't be any confusion. And now I'm going to just close the instant pot and put it on low pressure 6 minutes and quick release the pressure. Okay. So तुम्ही pressure pan मध्ये तुमच्या करत असाल, if you're making in your pressure pan, make sure you just wait till the whistle and just turn it off. Don't even do the whistle. Once the whistle comes, like when you feel, just turn off the gas. So I'm going to open the masala bhat. As I told you, make sure you vent it out. Don't let the pressure sit around until you know it drops on its own. And I'm going to open it now. Look at that, and let me show you. And our masala bhat is ready. It's not sticky at all. So garnish it with freshly grated coconut and chopped coriander and serve it hot with a little bit of drizzle of ghee and squeeze of lime. So our masala bhat, which is a Maharashtrian delicacy or specialty, is ready to be served. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to palate.